I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to use split screen on Apple CarPlay. Step 1. Connect your iPhone to your vehicle and launch Apple CarPlay on your car's display. Step 2. Look at the lower left corner of the CarPlay screen and locate the dashboard icon, which looks like either a grid made of small squares or a single square. Step 3. Tap the dashboard icon to switch from the full screen app view to the split screen view. You will now see your primary navigation map on one side and widget tiles for audio playback and smart suggestions on the other side. Step 4. If you want to return to the full screen app grid at any time, tap the dashboard icon located in the bottom left corner of the display. If you want to change which navigation app appears on your split screen, simply launch your preferred navigation app, such as Apple Maps, Google Maps, or Waze, in full screen mode first. In this example, because I'm already using Waze, I'll switch to open Apple Maps. When you switch back to the split screen view, CarPlay will automatically display your active navigation app in the main map panel. You can also interact with the audio widget on the split screen to pause, play, or skip tracks without interrupting your live route guidance. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.